Hi there, this is Grooving in G, and I am going to give you a very quick tutorial today. I just want to go a little bit deeper on some of the file management issues and how you can reconnect lost data, especially if you're moving files from one hard drive to another, or you've moved your entire database to a new Mac and you want to know how you can potentially reconnect files. In the last tutorial, I showed you how if your files get corrupted, you can use the metadatabase manager to relink the metadata and the tags which are attached to the file. But I also showed you that if the files get corrupted and they're in a list, like these ones here are, they actually will get deleted from the list, and I didn't have a very good way of showing you how to reconnect them. Before, I would use Spotlight search and actually type the name in of the sample and then click and drag it in. But that's obviously very time consuming and quite jarring to do for a lot of files. So thanks to a user on the AudioFinder forums, I've actually found now a much better way to reconnect the files. So what you need first of all is to find this folder on your Mac, which is located in your username, library, application support, AudioFinder and scans. And what this is it's all the list data from all your folders. This is where AudioFinder stores it all. So what you've got to do is you've got to look for the list that you're currently working on. So I'm on tutorial list 3, and then you've got to find it in the scans and then open it with TextEdit. And what you can see here is the location where AudioFinder is looking to find all these files. Now, if I go to my USB 3, which is where I've got all these files stored, and I change the folder name, you can see now these will all get corrupted. So these files are now looking in the wrong place. Firstly, I'll show you if you actually just reconnect them to the correct name, they do actually come back to life. I can also show you is when they're down, if you use this text edit to reconnect them to the correct name by deleting this one that I added. If I delete the one and then I save this text edit and then I click off this list and I click back on, these have now reconnected again. So you can use this text edit to actually relink these files. Now where this is really useful is if I want to move this list from one USB to another. So I've got USB 2 and USB 3. Now if I drag this list over and I change the name of this one, so it's as if it's been deleted. So these files have all gone again. What I can actually do is come in here and I can go into Edit, Find and Replace. And I can go find. So this is the file path, and then this is the volume that it's looking on, which is my USB. So if I go and type in USB 3, it's now found that. And if I replace it with USB 2 and replace all, it's now replaced all of these with USB 2. So now it's actually found all the files again, which is amazing because you can then do this if you move files from your internal hard drive to an external one and you want to reconnect them all to your lists. You can now point AudioFinder in the right direction to find all these files, which is amazing. I hope I didn't go through it too quickly, but that's how you can use this scan list here and text edit you can use to reconnect files to lists.